Hello, dear students of class 9. Very pleasant good morning to you all. Hope all of you are keeping fine and doing well. Dear students, today once again I am here with our Merchant of Venice, Act 2, Scene 3. Act 2, Scene 3 is a very short scene consisting only of one single page. Here, the location is a room in Shylock's house, the villain's house. And the characters present here are Jessica, the daughter of our Shylock, and Lancelot. Today, in this short scene, we will be learning the test from 1 to 20. Let me remind you of the previous scene, what happened there. See, Lancelot had an inner conflict and he debated in his own mind and finally ran away from there, from the house of Shylock. Then he met Bassanio and requested for a job, and Bassanio gave him the job. Bassanio told both Gobbo and Lancelot, do one thing, you go and say goodbye to Shylock, your old master, then inquire my house and join the service. He also had ordered his servants to arrange a different kind of livery, that is uniform to Lancelot. So, now our Lancelot is here in the house of Jessica or Shylock to say goodbye to Shylock. When Lancelot reached the house of Shylock, he was not there, so he met Jessica, his daughter, in the house of there. So that is the background we are going to learn. Please pay attention on page number 58, Act 2, Scene 3, the introduction. This scene introduces us to Shylock's daughter, Jessica, and her love affair with Lorenzo. Lorenzo is the lover of Jessica, and of course he belongs to Christianity or Christian religion. Shylock is not present in the house in the scene, but the eagerness which Jessica manifests to leave her father's home adds to Shylock's image of a miserly tyrant. So our Jessica is planning to leave her house with her lover Lorenzo. She says that she is not happy in her own house, and she says that our house is a hell. This attitude of Jessica shows that how miserly tyrant was our Shylock. Jessica's plan to elope, elope means to run away, yes, with Lorenzo gives Shylock another reason to hate Christians. Jessica gives Lancelot a message to be delivered to Lorenzo. She then expresses her plan to end the conflict between her love for Lorenzo and her loyalty to her father by marrying Lorenzo. As there was an inner conflict in the mind of Lancelot whether to run away from the house of Shylock or stay with him, the same way Jessica also is undergoing some kind of inner conflict to run away with her lover Lorenzo or to stay in the house of our Shylock. Anyway, as Shylock decided to run away from the house of Shylock, in the same way, later on you will understand that Our Jessica is also decided to run away from the house of Shylock, her own father's house. Yes. Scene 3, Venice, a room in Shylock's house, and Jessica and Lancelot. There are only, excuse me, there are only two characters present here. That is Jessica and our Lancelot here. Yes, Jessica. I'm sorry thou wilt leave my father so. I am very sorry you are leaving the service of my father. Our house is hell, and thou a merry devil. Didst rob it of some taste of tediousness. But fare thee well, there is a ducat for thee. And Lancelot, soon at supper shalt thou see Lorenzo, who is thy new master's guest. Give him this letter. Do it secretly, and so farewell. I would not have my father see me in talk with thee. So you have already understood what she is planning. So in the first line, she says that, Jessica says that, I am very sorry that you are leaving the service of my father. Our house is hell, where there is no peace, there is no tranquility, there is no love. What actually a house needs? Love, peace, harmony, unity, tranquility, all these things. These things are not there, then that house is called a hell. And in fact, our Jessica could not experience any peace, harmony, love and affection in her own house. So she says, our house is hell, and thou means you, a merry devil. In this hell, you were a happy devil, choti shaitan, naughty devil. Didst rob it of some taste of tediousness? Definitely some part of boredom. Why your funny behavior? You have removed the boredom of our house to an extent. To some extent, because of your naughty, funny behavior, you have removed the boredom of our house, which is a hell. Tediousness means some part of boredom. But fare thee well, but goodbye to you. Fare thee well means goodbye to you. There is a ducat for thee. Ducat means, see, this ducat, a gold coin. Ducat is also called a gold coin. Those money that was prevalent in the European countries those days, it can be, nowadays, it can be called a rupee or a dollar, a euro, like that. There's a ducat, a gold coin, yes. Yes. And Lancelot, soon at supper means nightwood, soon at supper shalt thou see Lorenzo. Soon at the supper time, you are going to see Lorenzo. Who is Lorenzo? The fiancé or the lover of our Jessica, with whom she is planning to run away. Yes, Lorenzo, who is thy new master's guest? Who is the new master of our Lancelot? The new master of our Lancelot is Bassanio. And the guest of thy new master, that is our Lorenzo. Yes. And Lancelot, soon at supper shalt thou see Lorenzo, who is thy new master's guest. Give him this letter. She hands over a letter to our Lancelot, asking him to be delivered to our Lorenzo. Yes. Give him this letter. Do it secretly. It's a love letter, confidential letter. So do it very secretly. Yes. And so fare you well. Farewell. So goodbye to you. Farewell means goodbye to you. I would not have my father see me in talk with you, because goodbye to you, because I don't want see my father talking with you. I don't want to see my father. talking with you. So she gives the ducat and goes. Hope the thing is clear for you. Lancelot, adieu. Adieu means goodbye. Another word for farewell, goodbye. Hasta la vista, yes. Hasta la vista, goodbye. Bye bye, yes. Adieu. Tears exhibit my tongue. Now again another comedy comes here. Tears. Normally our tears originates or flows from our tongue or eyes. Eyes, normally it is from eyes. But for our Lancelot, he says that, see, tears exhibit my tongue, or tears are filling up on my tongue. Yes. Most beautiful pagan. Pagan means a non-believer. Most beautiful pagan. Pagan is a new non-believer. Yes. So maybe where is that one? Pagan is, that is address for this one. Most beautiful pagan, most sweet Jew. Again referring to Jessica. If a Christian do not play the knave, knave means a rascal. If a Christian do not play the knave and get thee, I am much deceived. Most beautiful pagan, non-believer, see, most sweet Jew. If a Christian don't play the role of a rascal or a villain and take away you, then I am much disappointed, deceived. But adieu. These foolish drops, but goodbye. These foolish drops, again tears, do somewhat drown my manly spirit. Adieu. Almost these tears, this drown my manly spirit. Men are not supposed to cry or weep like ladies, isn't it? Yes. When there is an issue, ladies or women folk in the family, they start crying, beating their chest, breaking their chest, and so on. But men, you are not supposed to weep. Thus, Lancelot feels that he was being humiliated by his own tears, because a man is, Lancelot being a man is not allowed or supposed to cry. So he says that these foolish drops refers to the tears of our Lancelot. He says, these foolish drops almost or somewhat drown my manly spirit. Manly spirit is the spirit of a man. Yes, goodbye, courage. Somewhat drawn, rather dampened. Yes. Jessica. Farewell, good Lancelot. Goodbye to you, Lancelot. Exit, Lancelot. Now so after the conversation with Lancelot and after his goodbye, Jessica speaks to herself. Yes. Alack, alas. What heinous sin is it in me to be ashamed to be my father's child? She feels very bad about being the daughter of her own father, Shylock. She feels actually ashamed to be called as the child of Shylock. See, that's a heinous sin. It's a very bad sin. See, whatever may be the reason, our parents are the responsible people for us, and if our parents had not willed, we would not have been in this world, right? So we should feel proud of our parents and never disappoint them. Never feel bad about our parents. So Allah, what heinous? Heinous means deadly sin, very bad sin is it in me to be ashamed to be my father's child. It's a very bad sin in me to feel ashamed of my father, yes. But though I am a daughter to his blood, though I am a daughter to him by the blood relation, I am not of his manners. I don't have his character. Thus, dear students, please you have to understand, Jessica, she herself is not satisfied with the behavior of her father Shylock. She can't approve the miserly behavior or the villainous behavior of her father. That is the reason she says, I know that it is a very difficult thing, it's a bad thing to be ashamed of one's father, but at the same time, she says that though I am related to Shylock, my father, in a blood relation, I don't possess his manners. The bloodthirsty, the ugly character of our Shylock. Oh Lorenzo, if thou keep promise, then she says, oh Lorenzo, if thou keep thy promise, I shall end this strife, conflict. Strife means conflict. If you strictly follow this, your promise, then definitely I will end this strife, conflict, and become a Christian and thy loving wife. I will become, if you keep your promise, I can end this inner conflict. I will become a Christian and your loving wife. Yes, look at the things. 20 onwards, reference number 20 onwards. Yes. Do not in his mind, not like him in behavior. Then 21, keep promise, keep your promise. Strife, conflict between loyalty to her father and love for Lorenzo. See, inner struggle to run away with Lorenzo, and at the same time means feeling bad about running away from her own house. Thus, dear students, so finally we hope Jessica will have a good time. So let me wind up this class by summarizing it. Dear students, today we have learned Act 2, Scene 3, very short scene, page 58, test from 1 to 20. The characters present here are our Jessica, the daughter of Shylock, and Lancelot. Jessica is not happy in her own house. Thus, she feels sorry that our Lancelot is leaving the service of Shylock, because according to her, he was the only one who could remove some kind of boredom from the house, from her house, by his naughty, funny behavior. Finally, she grants him one single ducat, that is gold coin, and hand over a letter and ask Lancelot to deliver the letter to her lover Lorenzo. Then our Lancelot feels some kind of bad thing in his own mind as he was leaving, and finally he goes, and Jessica once again speak to herself, telling that I know it is a very bad thing to feel ashamed of one's own parents, her own parents. Then she says that though I am related in blood to Shylock, I don't possess his manners, behavior pattern. Then she says that, oh Lorenzo, if you keep your promise, definitely I will be able to end this strife, conflict, inner conflict. I am ready to become a Christian and become your loving wife. Thus, we find the inner conflict of Jessica also here. On the one side, loyalty to her father, and another side, whether to run away with Lorenzo. Thus, inner conflict. Yes, dear students, hope you have understood the class. In our next class, definitely I will be giving you the answers, the extract answers of scene 2 and scene 3. Of course, few extract answers I will dictate in my next video. All right. So until then, you take care and try to understand the test. See, please do your homework, complete your notes, then write down the summary of this scene in your own sentence after understanding the test. So this is Joe sir once again signing out from this class to meet you again with a fresh mind. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.